raised foundation is used in and around Kansas City, especially in houses that are built on a lot of grade. And so when you have steep grade, sometimes that foundation needs to be raised off of ground level and then supported off the footing that might be 3 or 4 feet off the ground. There's really no difference in terms of a raised foundation of, say, another poured foundation that is on grade. But the difference is that it's just in the air and you may not even notice as a homeowner. Many homeowners are surprised to hear that their foundation is raised and sits off the ground 2 or 3 feet. But when we show them from the back end of looking at their foundation wall and their footing and look at the floor level, you can see that now all of a sudden you're looking eye level at the floor level of your house, and it all comes together. They understand that it's raised. The footing on a raised foundation is, as I said, just the same as any other foundation, and that means that they're susceptible to all the same issues that come with Kansas City homeownership. And so due to expansion and contraction of clay and water in our soils, you have the ability where foundations ultimately can settle. And when they settle, then they fall, and you'll begin to see that cracks will form in sheetrock. You could have doors that are sticking, windows that are sticking, and you lose function in some of those structural elements. And ultimately, those are signs that your foundation has settled, raised or not, it's settled. And so the solution for settling or foundation walls that have settled is piering. And so in KCPR, we use a push pier that we guarantee for life. The piering itself lives with the house. It doesn't live with the homeowner. There's no transfer of ownership, warranty loss, or anything like that. When we fix a house with our piering at KCPR, it is repaired for life, and it goes with the house. It doesn't go with the name. You don't have to transfer the warranties. There's no windows or opportunity. There's no adjustments that are needed to the pier. Once we leave that home, that section that we repaired, you can count that it's been solved for a lifetime of that structure. So raised foundations or not, they're all susceptible to some type of settling, and when that comes into play, KCPR could be right there to fix that and fix it for a lifetime.